Hey everyone, welcome to this video. If you don't know how to create id.me account, then this video is for you. In today's video, I will show you how to create id.me account step by step. So to do that, just open any browser on your device and just write here va.gov and hit enter. Now on this page, you can see there is a option create account. Just click here. Now you can see two options, login and id.me. Just click this id.me. Now we are on the page of id.me. Again, you have to click on this create an id.me account. Now write your email here and write your password and confirm your password. Now make sure you are accept the term and condition and just click on this create account. Now it will send an email to your Gmail account. Now check your Gmail account and you will get this type of email from id.me. Just open this and just click on this confirm your email, or just copy this code. Let's copy this and paste the code here and confirm the code. Now from here, if you want to add multi-factor authentication like 2FA, then you can click on this. Otherwise, you just have to click on this. Now I am doing this setup later. And your id.me account is successfully created. So basically this is how you can easily create a new id.me account. If you think this video is helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.